morning to all. We are students of 9th standard from Government Senior Secondary School, Malikpur. So the District Guidance Counselor, Mr. Parvinder Saini, and the District Education Officer, Mr. Rajesh Kumar, they both came to our school and told us about the Rubru program, in which the students get the opportunity to meet with the designated persons. So first we got a golden opportunity to meet with the Deputy Commissioner Sir of Pathankot, Mr. Aditya Upar. So on 14th, we went to DC office to meet with the IS officer. Before meeting him, we met with PCS officer, Mr. Tejvinder Singh, and he told that whatever the question you want to ask from DC sir, you can ask. He said that to clear UPSC, you must have a perfect hobby. After that, the message came that DC sir is free, and we went in his cabin to meet him, and we interacted with Deputy Commissioner sir, and he shared his valuable and motivational journey from a student to an IAS.
To meet IAS officer, time was 2 p.m. but we reached there at 1:45. Before meeting Deputy Commissioner sir, first we met with PCS Employment Officer. The name was PCS Employment Officer is Mr. Tejvinder Singh. Then we were discussing. Then sir said, don't worry about anything. Just relax your mind. Don't take any type of pressure in your mind. And then we were asking questions. Then sir gave all answers. Then sir asked about our hobby, school name, our name. Then sir said, you should have your perfect hobby, and you should know all about your hobby, each and everything about your hobby. Sir's nature was very polite and humble. Sir talked with us very frankly. The employee worked in his office also appreciated his energy.
At 2 p.m. we went to DC office. Sir's name was Aditya Uppal. Sir's office was very huge. After that, sir said, do discussion with me along with the snacks. Sir's employees gave us snacks, and sir said, do discussion with. First of all, your mind will be relaxed, and then you start your discussion.
Sir asked our name, class and hobbies. Then we all said our class, hobbies, names. Then Sir said, I cleared the UPSC exam in first attempt only. Sir said we can clear any exam with hard work, and Sir said we should believe in yourself. There is no competition with others. There is a competition with ourselves. For become IAS officer, reading and writing are must skills, so we should work on it. Then
To crack a UPSC exam is not that much easy, but sir has cleared this exam. Sir also motivated us to clear any competitive exam in first attempt, because if you crack any exam in first attempt, then you can save your 1 year. So sir said to crack any exam in first attempt, so we should do one midnight oil, and we should make their own notes, because it is very easy to understand our notes, our handwriting. So writing, we should do more efforts in the writing notes.
Then we had a great meet with AFPI sir, who has come from Chandigarh, and then we asked some questions from sir how we can clear the AFPI exam, and he answered by practicing the doubts. And after that we asked him how we can prepare about the math. So he said, first your concepts, and then he said your concept should be clear, and after that PCS sir got a call from DC sir, and then we went over there in the DC office. It was very big, and after that we met with DC. The name of DC is Aditya Uppal. He is very heart of gold in nature, and then we asked some questions from him. First he tell something about himself, that my name is Aditya Uppal and I have studied from Thapar College from Patiala, and I have done non-medical mechanical engineering and after that he told about his journey. I have done the job in 1.5 year in Honda company who manufactures cars, and in the last year of college he got inspiration from his friend's father who was an IAS officer, and after that he prepares the preparation of IAS, and he cleared the IAS exam in first attempt.
Then sir said, you have to read newspaper and English books daily, and you have to take English newspaper from any websites of newspaper, and you have to take motivation from ourselves.
Sir said that after listening any topic, you have to ask your teacher about your queries. Sir said that if you have queries, so your base will clear. For UPSC, your base should clear. You have to study from 6th to 12th, and then you have to clear your all doubts, and you have to make your base clear. And then he said that you have to read newspaper daily for UPSC preparation. In that paper, current affairs are there, so for current affairs you have to read newspaper daily, and it from newspaper only so many questions come. And then sir said that you have to solve numericals from mobile also, and after reading the newspaper you have to make notes from that. When you make notes, your queries become easy, and your all questions become easy to solve every numerical or math sum.
Okay, so this is said we can prepare for IAS from +1 and +2 from any stream like non-medical, medical, commerce, arts, etc. So said that there are 40% of engineer and 30% of doctors they participate for IAS exam. And so said when you enter for IAS exam you should study 17 to 16 hours in a day. So studying to 16 to 17 hours you should clear for UPSC exam in first or second attempt. Thanks.
The scenario of his home was very good, and sir told that before when you learn something, and after that you should write, and you should make one diary and write what you have done in that day. And after that then we asked question to sir, and sir said Baljinder asked that question, who is your ideal? And sir said that we should be our ideal, no one is my ideal. And sir had about pollution. I asked the question about pollution, and sir said that in Ludhiana and Patiala there was a lot of pollution and traffic was there, but in Pathankot in the city only pollution and traffic is there, but in Pathankot outside no traffic is there. And we told to him about NMMS exam, which subject will come in NMMS, and sir heard very politely. Thank you sir on the behalf of all the school.